My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2022 Audi TTRS. This vehicle has done just over 31,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our drive select button. From here we can switch between comfort mode, auto, dynamic and individual. To the right we have our start stop, automatic wipers and automatic headlights. On our digital cockpit we can also access navigation, smartphone integration, radio and media. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Using our button just below, we can attach our convertible roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.